Standing in front of a wall of filament, not sure which to buy? Let's break down the 4 you'll actually use and exactly when to reach for each one. PLA, PETG, ABS, and TPU. 4 materials, 4 very different jobs. First up, PLA. PLA is the easy one. It prints cool, sticks well, and gives crisp detail with almost no fuss. It's stiff, but a little brittle, and it softens in heat, so keep it out of hot cars. Print at around 200 to 210 degrees. Bed at 60. No enclosure needed. Next, PETG. PETG is the tough all-rounder. Stronger than PLA, slightly flexible, and it resists heat, water, and sunlight. The trade-off is more stringing and a bit more tuning. Print at around 230 to 250 degrees, with the bed at 70 to 80. Then ABS. ABS and its cousin ASA are the heat and impact champions. Strong, durable, and they handle high temperatures. But they warp easily and give off fumes. So use an enclosure and good ventilation. Print hot, around 240 to 260 degrees. Bed at 100. And finally, TPU. TPU is the flexible one. Rubbery, bendy, and it bounces back. Perfect for phone cases, grips, and gaskets. Print it slow, around 220 to 235 degrees, and drop your retraction way down. A direct drive extruder helps a lot. So how do they stack up? Head-to-head, PLA is the easiest and most detailed. PETG is the tough all-rounder. ABS wins on heat, and TPU is the only one that flexes. The simple rule: PLA for looks and easy prints, PETG for functional and outdoor parts, ABS for heat and strength, and TPU when you need it to bend. Here are the print temperatures for all 4, ready to go. Pick the right filament for the job, and your prints get a whole lot better. Subscribe to Layer Logic for more.